All right, family, for those of you who want to make the long term money, I'm going to show you how to set up your alerts. I'm going to ask the educators to go over this with you as well and onboarding so that we're clear. Right here, you're typing in XAU USG for gold. It's going to be a swing trade on gold, and I'm going to do it on the 4 hour chart. What am I looking for? I'm looking for my buy and my sell signals. If you pay attention to the crosses on our code scanner, you will be a happy person. Let's back test it really quickly. We got a cross alert right here. Told you to get in for the sale. You could have got in for the sale at 368. Then the last three numbers, family. And you could have rolled that thing. Let's get our little money tool. It tells you the money. Wait, not this one, huh? Where are you? Price range, okay? Your price range tool is going to tell you. So look, here's my cross. This is my candle. I'm getting in on that pullback right there when the candle closes. And you could hold it all the way down. All right, do y'all see that? Okay. That's a whole lot of money you could have made. And look, it's still going. Okay. So you can write it. Each one of these lines that's on your code scanner is going to be your TP. You could take it to those TPs, or you could write it until you get another cross, actually, and then you could take your money. You would still be in good profit. But I recommend that you take it to the lines that are right here. So that's the previous sale. That was called on August the 11th, and you could have held that trade until August the 19th. The market went from 69 all the way down to 312. Let's go over that again. 369 all the way down to 311. You see it right here? Yeah, that's pretty good, right? All the way down here to about 312, 311. You could have held it in there, okay? 369 to, let's say, 311 would have given you 58 points, all right? And this is measuring at about 56 points. So at the lowest lot size, you would have made 56, right? That's at the lowest lot size. But none of us are trading at a 0.01 on gold. And unless you have like a $50 account, you would have doubled your account. Most of us are at least a 1.0, a 2, or a 3. Okay. And so that means that we're trading for each point $10. So if you do the math at 56 and you're doing each point at $10, you could have been at $560. You could have been at $5,625, depending on the size of your account. It's kind of worth it. So then here you got your cross for your buy, right? So you're getting in when the candle closes, which is going to be right here. Where are my little highlighted tools? I don't see them. Sorry. All right. And so now I'm getting in here, and then look. Why is this thing stressing me? Try it one more time. So we're going to get in right here, and we're going to hold it, right? Ooh, look at this money here. Ooh, glory. Come on, somebody, sing it with me. This thing went all the way here, 109 points. Okay? So at the lowest lot size, you're at $109, right? Midway, you're at about $1,000 plus, right? Not even too heavy of a lot size, you would have been at $10,000. Okay? You would have got in this trade on August the 20th. That's not bad, is it? Held it to the 25th. Not bad at all. All right, so let's do the math on that. That's 109 points. Let me see. At 10,000, let's just put it at 10,000. And 109 points. This is saying your lot would have had to been a 9, but I don't think that's correct. I have to play with that a little bit more. But anyway, you can do quite well on the trade, is the bottom line. So, how do I set an alert? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to right hand click on my screen. I'm going to add an alert. And then we can get our compound chart and go over that. That thing went 100 points. That's what I'm looking to do. All right. So, I got my alert here. Okay. And then I am going to press the strategy. Let's do EC11. And then I am going to tell it to give me, I want the cross alert. Okay. Make sure everything is on EC11 and do once per the bar close. And then make sure you pick 4 hour time frame. Okay. So I got gold. I'm going to look at the EC11 strategy. I'm going to wait for the cross EC11 because those are when those two EMAs cross. I'm going to put on the 4 hour chart once per bar close. All right. And then you're simply going to press create. And if you have it on your phone, then it will come to you. I can send you instructions on how it can come to your Telegram as well. But if you have it on your phone, just download TradingView and then you will get the alert. All right. So this goes directly to my TradingView. Um, and I'll get an alert every time that gold is crossing. And then I'll look at it first, of course, and then I can get in the trade. And I do plan to hold it. So let's plan for that this week. I'm going to do it for gold. I'm going to do it for NAS. And I may do a Forex pair. Happy trading.